Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Shamapti and today I want to tell you how to grow your hair longer and stronger. And yeah, I'm gonna share 5 tips with you that has worked for me, and I swear by these tips. But hair care is subjective as skincare actually. So what works for me might not work for you. So keep on trying things and find out what works the best for you. And I really hope that these tips work well for you. So being said all these things, let's start. The first thing that has helped me is oiling my hair. There was a time I stopped oiling my hair and I saw the difference. My hair was going brittle and dry. I mean, see, if you have healthy hair, your hair is gonna grow. As simple as that. But yes, genetics also do matter, like huge. It plays a huge role. But for me, hair oiling is something that helps me out. And when I stopped oiling my hair, I could see my hair become dry and it was not growing as fast as it grows usually. And my hair growth is my hair grows fast, kind of fast. So I oil my hair prior shampooing. What I do, I keep the oil overnight all over my scalp and hair. Then I wash off next day. And my favorite hair oils are black seed oil, castor oil, even coconut oil I like. So yeah, this is something that has helped me out. Number 2 is hair inversion method that I came across, I'd say 6 or 7 months back, and somewhat I think it is working. This is very simple. You just have to take your hair, it's gonna be weird, then do like this, then massage, and you have to stand and massage your scalp for 3 to 5 minutes. I do this morning and night, and I have seen improvements. So if you want a entire video on hair inversion method, I'm gonna do this. Let me know. Sorry. Okay, let me know. I'm gonna do that. So yeah, this is something that has worked for me. Number 3, silk pillowcases or satin pillowcases. My point is, when my hair is not breaking much, it is healthy. It goes through less friction, it grows faster. What works for me is that healthy hair grows faster. That's how I equate. So I have started using silk pillowcases and satin pillowcases, and I have seen my hair doesn't look matte. After like washing your hair, you sleep, you get up, you have this matted hair, doesn't look shiny, silky. And yeah, this is something that's working for me. So you can switch to, if you use cotton pillowcase, you can, just for a change, you can switch to silk or satin pillowcase. That might work for you. And I have seen my hair is growing faster. I'll try to give you a before after photo, and I've seen my hair grew kinda good. So yeah, number 4 would be the hair masks that work for me. Sometimes I use those commercial creamy hair masks for my hair. I don't apply those things on my scalp because my hair falls like crazy when I do that. So what helped me, I think, is henna hair mask. I use that mask twice in a month, sometimes once in a month during summertime, because during this winter I'm gonna catch cold if I use henna. And this is something that helped me out. I have been doing this for more than 2 years, I think. And I just mix henna with tea, sometimes just water or fermented rice water. Even please try fermented rice water as hair rinse. It has worked wonders for my hair. So yeah, now you mix the henna, then you can apply some butter, not khane wala butter. You just apply shea butter or avocado butter, then apply that mask. Keep this on for 4 hours, 4 to 5 hours, then wash it off. And I have seen it helps with the hair growth. And how it does, I don't know. I have looked for the scientific explanation, I couldn't find any. It could be just me, or if you have been using henna, then do let me know if it has worked for your hair growth, because it has helped me out and I'm curious to know it's a common thing or not. So number 5, obviously the diet. You have to eat healthy, to keep your hair healthy and your body healthy. And obviously when I go for a very unhealthy lifestyle, I eat junk and stuff, I could see my hair is falling, hair is not growing as much. Even stress, lifestyle, these things matter a lot. And stay healthy, not only for your hair, for you. You have a beautiful life, you have to make it more beautiful with a perfect choice of, not perfect, a healthy choice of lifestyle, food, habits. So that's what matters. I just got up, I even didn't brush my hair. I have to because it's got tangled up. And yeah, brushing your hair is very important. Brush your hair at least once in a day. And I know when your hair gets long, it's difficult to brush it. And I used to skip brushing my hair like anything. There would be like weeks I didn't brush my hair, then I ended up with all tangled hair. It was so difficult, my hair was breaking. And I told you, I've seen when my hair is unhealthy, it is breaking, it just doesn't grow. So I have to keep it healthy. So yeah, brush your hair. Protecting your hair goes a long way. I rarely keep my hair open. I always make, braids or buns, and I never sleep with my hair down. And yeah, use umbrella when you go in the sun. Use good shampoo and conditioner, and you can use this kind of crunchies because this lead to less hair breakage, which is awesome. So yeah, that's all for now. I hope you found this to be helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this. See you very soon.